let's go. Whoa. I walk around with this drum like I'm Nick Cannon. Bust out the river by up it, I won't panic. Walk at these stop by the fit off the mannequin. I'm on the y'all fucking different Dominican. He not a plug on the boats, he the middleman. Season the coupe peanut butter like Peter Pan. Niggas hate me, but they bitches my business thing. Whoa, I'm popping, I'm feeling like on the man. Bitches see me and forget about oxygen. Try to screen it like a rocket shit. Heavyweight champion, check out my pockets been on. I ain't finna school, fuck a scholarship. This in the game that this shit got your partner killed. Whoa.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now we're gonna install this little center console we bought for the GMC. We bought it yesterday. The guy gave us a little glove box and I forgot what part that was for. But right now we're taking off the seats for to install the center console. And we're gonna give it like a little quick wash because it's pretty dirty. I guess the guy had it in the like working or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna take out the seats right now and I'll show you when we install it. So we just took out a seat and I want to show you what it looks like under this seat. It's pretty disgusting. It's all dirty. Homie had a beer salt. And there's like spider webs in here. So to the guy who did this truck, I don't know if the owner did it himself or he took it to somebody, but please be more professional. This is fucking ugly. And I guess the guy took it to work, to the refineries, because in the refineries the parking lot is always just dirt or pavement. But this is disgusting. So right now we're about to clean it up badass. Look at that. We're gonna clean it up badass and show you how it looks after. But right now we're gonna take off that seat in the center console and show y'all how it looks under that seat. But this is disgusting. But yeah, this is the box. This is a little better view from the last video. It pretty bangs hard, not gonna lie. We're just probably gonna put like a little screw for it to stop wobbling, because you can kind of hear wobbling whenever I'm driving in it. But yeah, I'll show you right now when we install the center console. Alright guys, so we just took out the seats. So there's two bolts in front on each seat and then 2 bolts in the back of each seat as well. So the fronts, they're 15, size 15, the bolts, and the back they're 7/16. So when y'all gonna take off the seats, just make sure there's gonna be 2 different sizes of bolts, because y'all gonna be struggling. And if y'all put the wrong size, y'all la van a barrer, and it's gonna be like they're gonna fuck up the seat more. It's gonna be a bitch to take off. But this is the interior, how it looks, and the inside. So we're gonna clean that up. We're gonna try to fix this. So now we're gonna take it to my sobrino Angel. He does systems and he'll fix it up. But it's pretty tangled. I don't really know that much about systems and I don't want to fuck anything up like this. Like, why? But yeah, we're gonna clean it up badass. We're gonna try to clean up right here because it's pretty dirty. And there's like a lot of cables, so we can't really like throw water in there to clean it. We don't want to fuck something up like this right there. So yeah, we're gonna try to clean it badass right now, so I'll show y'all right now. Alright, so we just finished wiring this up. We kind of fixed right there in the back. It looks a little bit better. We're not professionals like how I'm saying, but we fixed it up. We cleaned it up badass. We left it pretty nice and simple. We put electrical tape on the cables because later on we're probably gonna fix it up, take off all the wire and put new wire and fix it up like how it's supposed to. But this is just a little example of what we did to like kind of fix it up. That's gonna be hidden with the seats and all that. But we cleaned the interior. It's pretty clean now. You can't see because of the lining, but came out pretty nice. And now we're just gonna put the console in the seats and show you how it is. Alright, so to put on the center console, you gotta take off these little plastics. They have little bolts right here in the bottom and right here on the top. So as soon as you take out this one, you're gonna start seeing all the bolts. So you're gonna have to take them off and you're gonna be like this. And that's how it's gonna be. Then you install the center console. The center console primero o qué va primero?
Primero esto.
Alright, so first you install the glove box, and the one that goes under the steering wheel, and then you put the center console. Alright guys, we finally finished. We finally installed the center console. It was kind of a hassle, but once you start seeing like what to do, you start getting the hang of it and you start getting to do it faster, I guess you could say. But we also fixed right here. It was pretty bad, and we kind of fixed it. Like I said, we're not professionals because me and my pops don't like any ugly work, but still everything come out good. We just need to buy the little mats that go in there, buy that little piece, but everything came out good. The steering was supposed to come today, but I don't know why it still hasn't came, but that'll be another video. And also another video, we're gonna be painting the bumper because the bumper's kind of messed up from right here and over here. So we're gonna paint that little bottom cover. We were thinking about color matching the chrome, but I heard it's kind of a bitch whenever you paint over chrome. As much as you sand it or whatever, it's still kind of hard to paint over because it'll start chipping out of nowhere. But yeah, it's a finished product. There's all the little things we took out. So if y'all need this, just hit me up and y'all can come get it. We're probably gonna throw it away. Well, this is how it looks. That's gonna be the end of the video. We just got finished putting the center console. We gotta stay tuned. We're gonna change the steering wheel as well, and we're also gonna color match the bumper. When I color match, we're gonna repaint the bumper because we don't like how it looks kind of ugly. But that'll be another video. But for sure, next video will be the steering wheel. We ordered one on eBay. It should be getting here like around 5, but I don't know why it still hasn't gotten here. It's about to rain right now. Maybe that's why it's kind of delayed. But yeah, that's the end of the video. So y'all stay tuned for next video. If y'all want a sticker, just let me know. Just all you gotta do, just comment down on YouTube and I'll try to send it over to y'all. Got one right here. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the steering wheel, and we're gonna be doing other stuff too as well. Probably change the exhaust because it has 2 exits and I kind of don't like that. But yeah, y'all stay tuned and I'll see y'all later. All right.